What is NETosis, and how do neutrophils use it? Imagine your immune system as a busy city with many defenders. Among them are neutrophils, quick responders that fight off invaders. Today, we're exploring a special way they do this called NETosis. It's like they throw a sticky net to trap enemies. But how exactly does this process work? Let's find out. Neutrophils are a type of immune cell that patrol your body looking for bacteria, fungi, and parasites. They usually fight by swallowing these invaders in a process called phagocytosis. They also produce chemicals called reactive oxygen species that kill microbes. But sometimes, neutrophils need a different trick. That's where NETosis comes in. NETosis is a process where neutrophils releases web-like structures called neutrophil extracellular traps, or nets. These nets are made mainly of DNA fibers, which are like tiny threads of genetic material. These threads are coated with antimicrobial proteins and enzymes that help kill the microbes caught in the nets. The nets act like sticky traps, immobilizing bacteria, fungi, and parasites so they can't spread. There are two main ways neutrophils do NETosis. One is called suicidal NETosis, where the neutrophil essentially sacrifices itself after releasing the nets. The cell dies in the process, but it leaves behind a trap that can catch and kill invaders. The other way is vital NETosis, where the neutrophil releases nets but stays alive and can continue fighting. This way, the neutrophil can keep helping the immune system even after releasing the traps. The process starts when neutrophils detect signals from microbes or damaged tissues. These signals activate receptors on the neutrophil surface. Once activated, the neutrophil's DNA and associated proteins are expelled into the space outside the cell. The DNA fibers are decorated with histones, which are proteins that help organize DNA, and enzymes like myeloperoxidase and proteolytic enzymes. These enzymes help break down the microbes trapped in the nets. Nets are very effective at stopping infections from spreading. They also help alert other immune cells to the presence of invaders. However, if net formation becomes uncontrolled, it can cause problems. Excessive nets can damage tissues and contribute to autoimmune diseases like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. They can also play a role in blood clots and sterile inflammation, which is inflammation not caused by infection. In the end, NETosis is a powerful tool in the neutrophil's arsenal. It allows these cells to catch and kill pathogens outside of their own bodies. It also influences how the immune system responds to threats. But like all tools, it needs to be used carefully to prevent harm to your own tissues. So, next time you think about your immune defenses, remember the clever way neutrophils trap their enemies with nets.